Oh my god. Best budget keyboard on TikTok? Let's unbox this Akko PC75B Plus Air. If you have not heard of this keyboard, it is a mechanical keyboard that is geared for the Mac user just because of the keycaps, but any PC user can use this keyboard as well. It comes with a keycap puller, switch puller, dingle dongle, and a really nice cable. The dust cover is actually really nice too, and this might be the best sounding keyboard that you can buy off TikTok. And it's got a lot of weight to it for being plastic. The knob I'll be playing with in the garage all night long. RGB, there's like 69 different settings. If you are looking for a keyboard for that pure white desk setup and don't want to mess with your keyboard, then this is the one to get. This keyboard looks good, feels good, but let's hear how it sounds. Ooh, that sounds good, and it's all because of the Akko V3 Cream Yellow Pros. They're absolutely wonderful. I truly believe this is the best keyboard that you can buy on TikTok currently, and I'll leave that link down below.